Hello, and welcome to the comparison of 1045 and 1018 steel. We're going to start off with the Vickers, Brittle, and Wackel machine. Here, the diamond tip makes an indentation, which then we can measure the indentation on the sides and on the bottom and the top. Depending on the indentation size, we can see the hardness of the material. Then we come to the Rockwell. Same principle, we make an indentation with a pointy tip and we measure it. And finally, the Brittle. We use samples like this to make an indentation, for example, this one. And then we measure the diameter of the indentation. The larger the indentation, the softer the material. Then we have the impact test. Here on the impact test we can measure the energy absorption of the material. For example, here we have this value, and then I will display more values ahead. On the tensile machine, we can see that, for example, the harder steel, that is the 1045, doesn't quite elongate as much and breaks fairly brittle. On the other hand, the 1018 steel is ductile and forms a neck shape. I will display the values that we get in a graph similar to this one. On this part, we produce a bakelite by putting the metal over here and then heating it up and making a pressure capsule with the bakelite. We then make sure to make it really shiny, and then we proceed to attack it with chemicals. We have the Keller and the Nitrile. After we make the chemical attack, we see it over here in the microscope. And we will count the grain size for both of them. The results are being displayed right now. In conclusion, we can see that the different properties of the 1018 and the 1045 steel are quite different because of the carbon content. It makes the 1018 much more ductile and the 1045 brittle but stronger. Thank you very much.